History turned before flags waved free in the sky. India's heroes rose, sword, pen and soul, to dream of a free Bharat Mata. वीर उनका सलाम हो, भारत का अभिमान हो, जो कुर्बान हुए हमारे लिए, उनका सम्मान हो। वीर जवान सबने मिलकर लिखी आजादी की पहचान। Tipu Sultan, the Tiger brave, fought the British, his land to save. Velu Nachiyar, with fire in hand, the first queen to fight for her own land. Chennamma of Kintur roared, "Not my throne," and drew her sword. Years before 57's cry, they showed how Indians rise and fly. Mangal Pandey fired the flame, against injustice he took the blame. Rani of Jhansi, fierce and fast, fought on horseback till her last. Nana Sahib, Patya's roar, brought the fire to British door. Hazrat Mahal, queen so bold, a wise pride in Sari gold. The pine Naroji raised the voice, drain of wealth was not our choice. Tilak thundered loud and grand, Swaraj is our birthright in this land. Gokhale's calm, Lal Bhopal's might, shook the Raj with peaceful fight. Sarojini sang of freedom's call, Rajendra Prasad stood tall for all. Mahatma Gandhi walked with grace, Dandi marched, truth's gentle face. No sword, no gun, just salt and soul. He made non-violence the nation's goal. Nehru dreamt with vision wide, traced with destiny in his stride. His words like rivers gently ran, to build the future, forge the plan. Bhagat Singh's flame never died, he kissed the noose with fearless pride. Rajguru Sukadev marched along, their martyrdom became our song. Azad fought till his final breath, refused to bow even in death. Ashfaq Bismil fades apart, together they gave it India their heart. Aruna Asaf Ali raised our flag, in quit India's burning jag. Lakshmi Sehgal in Ina's line, led with courage, firm and fine. Matangini with white hair bright, marched ahead through bullets bite. Usha Mirtaz with freedom strong, carried the truth like freedom song. Netaji Bose roared overseas, "Give me blood and cross the seas." Jayaprakash lit youth's fire, Ambedkar shaped rights we admire. Patel united land and sky, his iron will, one heart so high. And when the dawn of freedom broke, India breathed and proudly spoke. Janagana Mana we all say, to those who gave their 9-day. The blood they shed, the songs they sang, still echo loud where freedom rang. So wave the flag and speak